Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the chapter of Arithmetic Progressions exercise 5.3 third question. So, here the given third question is in an AP. For the given values of the AP, by using that given values, we have to find the values that he asked in the question. So, here the first question is given a is equals to 5, d is equals to 3, a base n is equals to 50, hence the nth term is equal to 50. He asked it to find out the value of n, means how many terms, and s base n means sum of n terms. So, let us solve it. So, in this problem given that a is equals to 5, d is equals to 3, an is equals to 50. What he asked to find out the value n and the s base n. So now I am going to find the value of n by using the formula a base n, nth term. So a base n is equals to, we know the formula of finding nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know the value of a nth term and the a and the d. So let us substitute. A base n means the what he given the value of a base n and the term 50. So 50 equals to the value of a is 5 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 3. 50 equals to 5 plus 3 into n, 3n, plus into minus, minus 3 ones are 3. So here 50 is equals to 3n plus 5 minus 3 plus 2. So we can write this as 3n plus 2 is equals to 50. Means if we transpose plus 2 to the right side, it will subtract. So 50 minus 2. So 3n is equals to 50 minus 2 means we get 48. Here 3 is multiplying, and if we transpose 3 to the right side, it will divide the 48. So n is equals to 48 by 3. 3 ones are 3. It remains 1. 1 before 8, 18. So 3 6 are 18. So therefore, the value of n that we got is 16. So after we got the value of n. After what he asked in the question to find the value of s base n, sum of n terms. We know the formula of sum of n terms. N by 2 of a plus a base n. Understand? This is also the formula for the finding the sum of n terms when the first term and the last term given. So I'm writing here as base n is equal, sum of n terms is equal to the value of n is 16 by 2 into the value of a is 5 and the a base n is 50. So 5 plus 50. So here 2 ones are 2 eights are 16. After sum of n terms is equals to 8 into 50 plus 5, 55. So I'm multiplying here 55 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 plus 5 are 44. Understand? So therefore we got the sum of n terms is equals to 440. So we got the value of n and s base n, sum of n terms that he asked in the question, means we had completed the first sub question in this question. Now let's go to the second sub question in this question. So this is the second question in this problem. So here the question is given a is equals to 7, a base 13 means the 13th term is 35, and has to find out the value of d, common difference, and s 13 means the sum of 13 terms. So let us solve. So in this problem given that What he given? A is equals to 7. A base 13 means 13th term is equals to 35. And he asked you to find out the value of the common difference and sum of 13 terms as 13. So a base 13 or s base 13 both a base 13 is equals to a base n. S base 13 is equals to s base n. So the value of n is equals to 13. Understand? Now I am taking a base 13. 13th term is equals to 35. We can write the a base 13 as a plus 12d equals to 35. So we know the value of a, that is 7. So 7 plus 12 of d is equals to 35. So I am going to transfer the plus 7 to the right side. It will become minus 7. So 12d is equals to 35 minus 7. So 12d is equals to 35 minus 7 means we get 28. So here d is equals, if we here 12 is multiplying the d, if we transfers 12 to the right side, it will divide the 28. So 28 by 12. So here 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. So we get the value of d is equals to 7 by 3. Understand? So we got the value of d is equals to 7 by 3. So we got the value of d. But after what he asked to find out sum of 13 terms. So sum of 13 terms means s base n. We know that simplest formula n by 2 of a plus a base n. So here what he asked to find out s base 13 is equals to, so 13 by 2, the value of n is 13. So I'm not writing now the value of a plus a base n means a base 13. So let us see here, 13 by 2 into the value of a is 7 and the value of a base 13 is 35. So 7 plus 35. Here 13 by 2 into 35 plus 7, 42. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. So here I am multiplying 21 by 13. 21 into 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26 plus 1, 27 equals to 273. So I got the value of S base 13 means the sum of 13 terms 273. So I am writing here therefore sum of 13 terms is equals to 273 means S base n. So by using the given values a base 13, we found the value of d, that is 7 by 3, and the s base 13 means the sum of 13 terms, that is 273. So we had completed the second question in this problem. Now let's go to the third question. So this is the given third question in this problem. So here the third question is, given a12 means the 12th term is equals to 37 and the d means the common difference is equals to 3, and he asked to find out the value of a means the first term and s base 12 means sum of 12 terms. So let us solve it. So in this problem given that a12 means the 12th term is equals to 37 and d common difference is equals to 3, and he asked to find out the value of a and the S base 12 means the sum of 12 terms, and they gave also value of n, that is n is equals to 12. I take n is equals to 12 by 12th, he gave 12th term is equals to 37, and he gave asked to find out the value of sum of 12 terms. So I take the value of n is equals to 12. So first I am going to find out the value of a by taking the a12, means the 12th term is equals to 37. A12 is equals to 37. So A12 can be written as A plus 11D equals to 37. The value of A we don't know, so A plus 11 of the value of D is 3 is equals to 37. After A plus 11, 3 is 33 is equals to 37. A is equals to, if you transpose plus 33 to the right side, it will subtract from 37. So 37 minus 33. So therefore, we got the value of A is equals to 37 minus 33. We got the value of A is equals to 4. So we got the value of A. Now let us find the value of S base 12. So we know the formula of S base n, that is n by 2 into A plus A base n, means S base 12. He asked you to find out the sum of 12 terms. So 12 by 2 into the value of A. The value of A is, we got now only 4. So 4 plus the value of A base n, means the A base 12. The 12th term is 37. So here 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. Sum of 12 terms is equal to 6 of 37 plus 4, 41. So sum of 12 terms is equals to 6 into 41, 246. So therefore we got the sum of 12 terms is equals to 246. By using the given data, the A12 is equals to 37, means the 12th term is equals to 37, D is equals to 3, means the common difference is equals to 3. We found the values of A and S base 12, that are 4 and 246. So I had completed the third question in this Roman. Now let's go to the fourth question. So this is the given fourth question in this third Roman. So here the given question is, given A3 is equals to 15, means the third term of the AP is 15 and the sum of 10 terms of the AP is 125, and he asked to find out the value of D, means the common difference, and A10 means he asked to find out the 10th term. So let us solve it. So in this problem given that what given A3 is equals to 15 plus 10, means sum of 10 terms is equals to 125, and the value of D we don't know, and A10 also we don't know. He asked to find out the value of D and A base 10. So first I am taking the A3 is equals to 15. A3 can be written as A plus 2D equals to 15. I am taking it as equation 1. After S base 10, means the sum of 10 terms is equals to 125. We know the formula of S base n, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Understand? Now here I am substituting the values. S base 10 means S base 10 equals to, the value of n is 10, so 10 by 2 into 2a plus the value of n is 10, so 10 minus 1 into d equals to 125. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, so 2a plus 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into d, 9d equals to, here 2a plus 9d is multiplying by 5. If you transpose 5 to the right side, it will divide the 125. So 2a plus 9d is equals to 125 by 5. 5 2s are 10. It remains 2. 2 before 5 means 25. 5 5s are 25. So therefore, we got 2a plus 9d equals to 25. So I am taking it as equation 2. Understand? Now, I am going to multiply the equation 1 by 2. So multiply equation 1 by number 2. So equation 1 is a plus 2d equals to 15. I am multiplying this whole equation by 2. So 2 into a, 2a plus 2 into 2d, 4d is equals to 2 into 15, 30. I am taking it as equation 3. Now here from equation 2 minus equation 3. What is equation 2? 2a plus 9d equals to 25. 2a plus 9d equals to 25. And equation 3 is 2a plus 4d equals to 30. So what I said here, subtract. So I am keeping the symbols minus. So 2a and 2a gets cancelled because they are having opposite signs. 90 minus 4d means we get 5d equals to minus 30 plus 25 minus 5. So we got 5d is equals to minus 5. So if you transpose 5 to the right side, it will divide the minus 5. So minus 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5. So therefore, we got the value of d is equals to minus 1. Understand? Now, let us find the value. We know the value of d. Now let us find the value of a. By using the given statement, a3 is equals to 15. So, a3 is sorry, I am writing here, substitute the value of d in equation 1. I am going to substitute the value of d in equation 1. We know the equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 2d equals to 15. So, here a plus 2d equals to 15. A plus 2 of d is minus 1 equals to 15. A plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2 is equals to 15. If we transpose minus 2 to the right side, it will becomes plus 2. So a is equals to 15 plus 2. So therefore, we got the value of a is equals to 17. So now we know the value of a and d. What he asked in the question? Let us see once. He asked you to find the value of d and the a base 10. We already found the value of d. Now let us find the value of that he asked a base 10. So a base 10 equals to a base 10 can be written as a plus 9d equals the value of a is 17 plus 9 of the value of d is minus 1 is equals to 17 plus into minus 9 ones are 9 is equals 17 minus 9 means we get the value of 8. So therefore the value of 8 means the 10th term of the AP is 8. So Therefore, we got the value of D is equals to minus 1 and the value of A10 means the 10th term of the AP is plus 8. So, we had completed this. We had completed the fourth problem. Now let's go to the fifth problem. So, this is the fifth question in the third problem. Now let's go to solve this. So, here the given question is, given D is equals to 5, S base 9 means sum of 9 terms equals to 75 and has to find out the value of A and A base 9 means the ninth term. So, let us solve it. So, here given that D is equals to 5, S base 9 means sum of 9 terms is equals to 75 and asked to find out the value of A and A base 9 means the ninth term. So, here, first I am taking the S base 9 is equals to 75. We know the formula of S base n, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is also n formula of the S base n to find the sum of n terms. Understand? Now, I am writing here S base 9 is equals to the value of n is 9. So, 9 by 2 into 2a. We don't know the value of a, so I am writing 2a plus the value of n is 9 minus 1 into the value of d is 5. So, he already gave this value of sum of 9 terms, that is 75. So, 75 is equals to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 means 8. 8 5s are 40. So, here 75 is equals to 9 by 2 into, in the 2a plus 40 I am taking common 2 tables. So, 2 into a, 2a plus into plus 2 into 20, 40. So, here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So, we can write this as 9 into a, 9a plus 9 into 20, 180 equals to 75. Now I am going to transpose the 180 to the right side. It becomes 9a equals to minus 180 plus 75. So we get 9a is equals to minus 180 plus 75. We get borrow here 10 and here we get 7. Here it becomes 0. So 10 minus 5 means 5. 7 minus 7, 0. Sorry, it becomes only 1. So we get 105. So minus 105. So here a is multiplying the 9. If we transpose 9 to the right side, it will divide the minus 105. So a is equals to minus 105 by 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. It remains 1. 1 before 5 means 15. 3 5s are 15. So we got, therefore the value of a is equals to minus 35 by 3. So by using the given values, we got the value of a is equals to minus 35 by 3. So now we have to find the value of a base 9 means the ninth term. So let us see here. So let us find the value of ninth term. So a9 is equals to, a base 9 can be written as a plus 8d is equals to, the value of a is, we got now only, minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into the value of d is 5. So equals to minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5 is 40. So equals to minus 35 plus 340 is 120 by 3. So here 120 minus 35 means we get minus 85 by 3. So here therefore we got the value of a base 9 means the ninth term of the AP is minus 85 by 3. So we got the value of a base 9 on the A. Means we had completed the fifth question. Now let's go to the sixth question in this Roman. So sorry friends, here we have the plus for the larger number, so we have to keep here plus. So we got the value of a9 is equals to 85 by 3. Now let's go to the sixth question. So here the given sixth question is given a equals to 2, d equals to 8, s base n means the sum of n terms is equals to 90, and he asked you to find out the value of n and the a base n means the nth term. So let us solve it. So given that a is equals to 2, d is equals to 8, s plus n means the sum of n terms is equals to 90, and he asked you to find out the value of n and the a base n. So first I am taking the value of Sn is equals to 90. We know the formula of Sn means sum of n terms is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for S plus n means the sum of n terms. So S plus n equals to n by 2 into 2a means 2 of 2 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 8. So n minus 1 into 8 equals to 90. So n by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 8 into n 18 plus into minus minus 8 ones are 8 equals to 90. So n by 2 into 8n minus 8 plus 4 minus 4 equals to 90. So here we get n by 2 into 2 of 2 into 4 and 8n plus into minus minus 2 into 2 4. So it is equals to 90. So 2 gets cancelled. So n into 4n 4n square minus 2 into n 2n. If you transpose plus 90 to the left side, it becomes minus 90 equals to 0. Here I am taking common 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 45s are 90. So it means 2n square minus n minus 45 equals to 0. We got an quadratic equation. To find the zeros or roots for the quadratic equation, first we have to multiply the first and last term. So plus into minus minus 45 into 2 90 n square. So the factors for 90 n square was I am taking that 10n and 9n, but I am keeping the symbol for 10n because 10n is the bigger, 10n is larger than the 9n. So I am keeping the minus symbol for that because here there is symbol minus for the n. Understand? If we sum or subtract these two numbers, we get minus n. Or if we product these two numbers, we get minus 90 n square. So I am taking 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals to 0. In 2n square minus 10n, I am taking common 2n. 2n into n. 2n square plus into minus minus 2n into 5. 10n plus 9 in here 9n minus 45 I am taking common 9. 9 into n 9n plus into minus minus 9 5 is 45 equals to 0. So here 2n plus 9 into n minus 5 equals to 0. Understand? So I am taking here 2n plus 9 equals to 0. This is the one of the 0 and n minus 5 equals to 0. This is the another 0. So 2n is equals, if you transpose plus 10 to the right side, it will become minus 9. So n is equals to, here 2 is multiplying n. If you transpose 2 to the right side, it will divide the minus 9. So n is equals to minus 9 by 2. After, here, n minus 5 equals to 0 is the another root. If we transpose minus 5 to the right side, it will become plus. So n is equals to plus 5. Therefore, we got n is equals to 5. For any value of n in the arithmetic progression, we don't take the value of n negative. We have to take only positive. So therefore, the value of n is 5. So now we know the value of n and a and d. So we can easily find out the value of a base n. So let us see here. A base n. We know what is the formula of a base n? A plus n minus 1 into d. So let us find the value of a base n. That is, the value of a is 2 plus the value of n is 5 minus 1 into the value of d is 8. So a base n is equals to 2 plus 5 minus 1 means 4. 4 into 8, 32. So therefore we got the value of a base n means the nth term of the AP is 34. So we got the value of n is equals to 5 and we got the value of a base n means the nth term is equals to 34. So we had completed the sixth question by so getting the values of n is equals to 5 and a base n is equals to 34. Now let's go to the seventh question. So here the given seventh question is, given a is equals to 8, a base n means the nth term is equals to 62 and s base n means the sum of n terms is equals to 210. So we have to find the value of n and d. So let us solve it. So in this problem given that, what he given? A is equals to 8, a base n means the nth term is equals to 62 and also gave sum of n terms. S base n is equals to 210 and he asked to find out the value of n and the value of d. So the formula of S base n is equals to n by 2 into a plus a base n is the formula for S base n when the value of first term and the last term are given. So the value of S base n he already given, that is 210. So we have to find the value of n by 2 into the value of a is 8 plus the value of a base n is 62. So 210 is equals to n by 2 into 62 plus 8 means 70. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. It remains 1. 1 before 0, 10. 2 fives are 10. So we get 35 n is equals to 210. Here 35 is multiplying the n. If we transpose 35 to the right side, it will divide the 210. So n is equals to 210 by 35. So here I am taking the 7 table. 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21. 7 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. So therefore we got the value of n is equals to 6. Now let us find the value of d. To find the value of d, I am taking that a base n is equals to 62. You know the formula of a base n, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So the value of a base n is 62. 62 is equals, the value of a is 8. 8 plus the value of n we only got, that is 6 minus 1 into, we have to find the value of d. So 62 is equals to 8 plus 7d. We can write this as 8 plus 7d equals to 62. Now I am going to transpose the 8 plus 8 to the right side. It becomes 62 minus 8. So 7d equals to 62 minus 8 means we get 54. Understand? Now, so d is equals to, here 7 is multiplying the, sorry friends, here 6 minus 1 means it is 5. 8 plus 5d equals to 62. Here 5d equals to 62 minus 8. So 5d is equals to 54. If you transfer 5 to the right side, it will divide the 54. So 54 by 5. So therefore, the value of d is equals to 54 by 5. By using the given data, we had got the value of n is equals to 6 and the value of d is equals to 54 by 5. So we had completed the 7th question. Now let's go to the 8th question. So here the given 8th question is, given an is equals to 4 means the nth term is equals to 4 and d is equals to 2 and s base n means sum of n terms is equals to 14 and he asked you to find out the value of n and a. So let us solve it. So in this question given that a4 is an is equals to 4 means the nth term is equals to 4 and d is equals to 2, common difference is equals to 2. Yes, n means sum of n terms is equals to minus 14 and he asks you to find out the value of n and the value of a. So first I am taking the value of an is equals to 4, that is an equals to 4. The formula for an is a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 4. A plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 2 equals to 4. A plus 2 into n, 2n plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2 is equals to 4. So I am going to transpose the plus 2n minus 2 to the right side. Then it becomes a is equals to 4 minus 2n plus 2. So it becomes a is equals to 4 plus 2 means 6 minus 2n. So we got a is equals to 6 minus 2n. So I am taking it as equation 1. Now, after I am taking the s base n is equals to minus 14. The formula for s base n is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 14. So n by 2 into 2 of, we got the value of a by solving the an is equals to 4, that is 6 minus 2n. So 6 minus 2n plus the value of n we don't know, so n minus 1 into the value of d is 2 equals to minus 14. So n by 2 into 2 6 are 12 minus 2 2s are 4n plus 2 into n 2n plus into minus, minus 2 1s are 2 equals to minus 14. So n by 2 into 12 minus 2 means plus 10 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2n equals to minus 14. So here I am in 10 minus 2n I am taking common 2. So 2 of 5 10 plus into minus, minus 2 into n 2n equals to minus 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So n into 5, 5n plus into minus, minus n into n square. If we transpose minus 14 to the left side, it becomes plus 14 equals to 0. So here minus n square plus 5n plus 14 equals to 0. I am taking common minus of n square minus n square minus into minus plus 5n minus into minus plus 14 equals to 0. We got n square minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. So here we got a quadratic equation. To find the zeros or roots for this quadratic equation that I got, first I have to find the product of first and last terms. Plus into minus 14 into n square 14 n square. The factors are minus 14 n square. I am taking 7n 2n. Here there is minus, so I am keeping minus for the larger number. If we multiply these two numbers, we get minus 14 n square. If we do these two add, we get minus 5n. So I am writing n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equals to 0. Here n square minus 7n, I am taking common n into n square plus into minus n into 7 7n plus 2 of, here I am taking 2 common, 2 into n, 2n plus into minus 2 sevens are 14 equals to 0. So n plus 2 into n minus 7 equals to 0. The two factors are n plus 2 equals to 0, n minus 7 equals to 0. If you transpose plus 2 to the right side, it becomes minus 2. So n is equals to minus 2. Here, if you this is the one root. After second root is n minus 7 is equals to 0. That is, if you transpose minus 7 to the right side, it becomes plus 7. So n is equals to plus 7. So we cannot consider the negative terms, negative numbers as the value of n. So we have to take only positive. So therefore, the value of n is equals to 7. So here we got the value of n. What is said to find out in the question, find out the value of n and a. We got the value of n is equals to 7. So we have to find the value of a. So to find the value of a, I am taking a from equation 1. So from equation 1, what is equation 1? A is equals to 6 minus 2n. So a is equals to 6 minus 2n. A is equals to 6 minus 2 into the value of n is 7. So 2 sevens are 14. So 6 minus 2 sevens are 14. So therefore, we got the value of 8 is a is equals to minus 8. So by solving the given data, we had got the value of n is equals to 7 and a is equals to minus 8 that is asked in the question. So we had completed the 8th question. Now let's go to the 9th question. So here the given 9th question is given a is equals to 3, n is equals to 8, s is equals to 192. So he asked to find out the value of d. So let us solve it. So this problem given that since the given data is a is equals to 3, n is equals to 8, s is equals to 192, and he asked to find out the value of d. So we know the formula of s base n. Here the last term is not give, means there is an formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Understand? So s means he gave already 192. So 192 is equals to the value of n is 8 by 2 into 2 of the value of a is 3 plus the value of n is 8 minus 1 into d. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So 192 is equals to 4 into 2 threes are 6 plus 8 minus 1 means 7. 7 into D, 7D. So 192. If you transpose a 4 to the left side, it will divide the 192. So 192 by 4 is equals to 6 plus 7D. For 3s are, sorry, for 4s are 16. It remains 3. 3 before 2 means 32. 4 8s are 32. We can write this as 6 plus 7D equals to 48. Now I am going to transpose the 6 to the right side. It becomes 7D equals to 48 by 6. So it becomes 7D is equals to 48 minus 6 means 42. Here 7 is multiplying the D. If we transpose 7 to the right side, it will divide the 42. So D is equals to 42 by 7. 7 ones are 7 6 are 42. So therefore the value of D is equals to 6. So we got the value of D is equals to 6 by solving the given data. So we have completed the 9th question. Now let's go to the 10th question. So here the given 10th question is given L is equals to 28, S is equals to 144, and there are total 9 terms. So we have to find the value of A. So let us solve it. So in this question given that the value of L means L or A base N both are same. So L is equals to 28 and S means sum of 9 terms is 144 and he only said there are total 9 terms. So the value of N is equals to 9. He asked you to find out the value of A. So we know the formula for S base N, that is N by 2 into A plus A base N. This here they gave A base N and the value of N. So we can easily find out the value of A, and also he gave S base N. So the value of sum of n terms is 144 is equals to the value of N is 9 by 2 into the value of A is we don't know, so A plus the value of A base N means L is 28. So we can write this as 9 by 2 into A plus 28 equals to 144. Now I am going to transpose the 9 by 2 to the right side, then it divide the 144. So A plus 28 is equals to 144 by 9 by 2. So A plus 28 is equals to 144 into, if then it become into 2 by 9, reciprocal of 9 by 2. So 9 ones are 9. It remains 5. 5 before 4 means 54. 9 6 are 54. So A plus 28 equals to 16 2s are 32. If we transpose plus 28 to the right side, it become minus 28. So A is equals to 32 minus 28. So therefore we got the value of A is equals to 4. So we by solving the given data, we had got the value of A is equals to 4. So we had completed the 10th question, means we had completed this Roman. In next video, I will explain some other questions. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.